Alright everyone, welcome to today's charting session. No? Balik na tayo sa regular time slot natin, thankfully. Uh, I really like it when I'm able to follow yung regularly scheduled programming ko. No? Medyo mababaw kaligayahan ko. But anyway, sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam, what we do here is we look at yung mga trending names and we get that list from Instagrams. No? So if you use Instagrams as your charting provider or as your charting software, then usually you find that list somewhere on the right hand side of your screen, assuming hindi kayo naka-zoom in ng ganito. Also, we take chart requests and usually we do a combination of both para na pag-uusapan natin ang mas maraming bagay. Diba? So today's no different. We'll be doing a combination of both and we'll be starting out with PHA. Now yung PHA, last we looked at this, yun nga, we were saying na it was coming to etong 0.66 na support down here. So what happened was, in this candle from 2 days ago, we broke beneath it. In this one, price came back up, tagged yung nag-form na maliit na support dito, minor supports, diba? Tapos ngayon, price has come back to 0.66. Now, if we're expecting some type of reversal, then what we want to see is for price to push back up higher, maybe retake 0.8 para mag-open up ulit yung range na 0.8 to 0.9. Then if ma-break natin yung 0.9, then that opens up this wider range here. Pero kailangan natin pa rin alalahanin na meron tayong mga minor resistances along the way and it's not just gonna be smooth sailing from 0.9 to 1.06. Okay? Honestly, it's not looking the best right now. One of the possible bearish scenarios that could happen is tuluyang mabasag na tong 66. We take out tong low at 63. Okay? Take that out, then what might happen is maybe we revisit yung gap na nag-form dito, way below here sa 40 na area or so. Okay? So yun yung ayaw nating makita if we are bullish ng PHA, no? Other than that, there's really not much else left to say. Hindi naman nagbago yung situation niya that much over the past ilang days. So a lot of what I said in previous videos still remain true. Na yun nga, kailangan mabawi, ma-reclaim tong mga levels na to para magkaroon ng at least some type of sign of reversal that we can hold on to form trade ideas around. Okay? Next, let's take a look at BDO. So BDO, ang nangyari dito was, diba yung FINA, if you watch our weekly market overviews, gumalaw na nga. So, we broke up above tong 132.10 na previous resistance. So, dito yan galing sa area na to, no? So, ngayon, dahil gumalaw na ang price, pwede na itong gumalaw. But I wanted to move it together with you guys para lang yung mga nanood ng previous videos di nalilito. Okay, so ngayon 135 na yung resistance to break. If we break 135, then I think pwede nating maabot tong 142 na area. Okay, medyo malinis yan. Yes, area of previous consolidation dito before, no? But it's relatively clean cut na if we break this, then we might be able to target 142. And if we break 142, 146 is next. Ang nangyari dito was price push higher. Okay, kasabay nga nung FINA na tinitingnan natin na sectoral index, no? Tapos nag-flag tayo, nag-bull flag, broke above it, came back and retested yung where we broke out from dito sa minor area of consolidation na to. So ideally, we want to see price hold above this area na. Okay? Kasi if it falls below etong 4.10, then medyo delikado na tayo. Baka it comes all the way back and tags where we broke out from initially right here sa 118 na area. Okay, so yun yung ayaw nating makita if we're bullish ng BDO. What we want to see is yun nga, ma-break natin yung 135 sooner rather than later para mabigyan natin yung sarili natin ng chance to possibly target 142.2 next. Okay? Guys, pasensya na ulit, no? I tried to record bago mag-start ulit yung construction but talagang hindi na ikisama, medyo minamalas talaga tayo sa timing. So I do apologize for any strong background noise. I'll just try to talk over it na lang to try and minimize yung impact. Okay? Next, let's take a look at IMI. IMI, ang nangyari was, ito yung release, nung nag-release tayo nung earnings report ng IMI. Tapos dahil hindi maganda, nag-drop siya. Pero hindi siya nag-drop all the way. No? I was actually hoping at the time na makabalik siya dito sa white zone for me to see if it's possible to get into it. Okay, doon sa mga nagtatanong doon sa isang video ko, ano yung 18+%, that was IMI, nabenta ko na siya bago siya bumagsak. I wanted to get back in sana, and I wanted a deeper pullback, pero naunahan ako, hindi siya umabot sa mga levels ko, no? So, that being said, nag-form tayo ng higher low here. Okay, ito yung high. So, ang expectation dapat dito is yung next move niya is to break 9.28 to possibly target 9.85. Okay? If sakaling hindi mabasag tong 9.28, baka mag-hold lang siya as possible na resistance, no? Parang ito yung resist dito, baka bumalik dyan, mag-resist ulit. Baka mangyari, bumalik to dito, tapos titignan natin kung possible ba na mag-form siya ng inverted head and shoulders sa area na to. Like so. But, that's just one possible scenario. Huwag natin sobrang pangunahan yung sarili natin. That's just something to look forward to if sakali mang mangyari. I'm not saying it will, ha? If lang. Okay? For now, another bullish scenario is, of course, syempre, everyone's favorite, would just break through 9.28, tas tuloy-tuloy lang, possibly going all the way back to 9.85, or maybe targeting tong white zone dito sa taas. What we don't want to see here is for price to come back down, take out tong swing low na to at 8.05. Okay? Kasi, ang mangyayari nun, maghahanap na siya ng deeper pullback, and even if we get it, sabihin natin, pumunta rito sa area kung saan may white zone ako. Okay? Paano ka bibili kung iniisip mo na, kapag nauntog yan dito, tas aangat ulit, baka ito mag-act as resistance. So, baka alanganin na yung potential risk-reward nung trade. Again, too early to say na kung ganoon nga ba talagang mangyayari. But, ang maganda niyan, sama-sama naman po natin tinitignan, sama-sama nating babantayan, at sama-sama rin po tayong matututo dito sa IMI and sa iba-iba pong charts na tinitignan natin. Okay? Next, let's take a look at GTCAP, no? So, GTCAP, it was actually trapped within this larger range here for a while. Diba? Then, we broke out of that larger range, came back, tag yung last mini area of consolidation here nung nag-pullback. Tapos, dun tayo nag-react, and now price is pushing higher. Sa mga bullish ng GTCAP, obviously, what you want to see is your price to go back up, break 608, to possibly come back and tag yung 634.5 na resistance next. What you don't want to see is your price to break below 544, test it from underneath, then fail, creating a new low, kasi that opens up tong lower end ng range na to. Diba? Sabi ko, yes, it's from a bigger range, we broke out of it. Possible na ito mismo, fake out lang, baka bumalik lang tayo dito sa larger range, hindi pa natin alam, no? Too early to tell. But, isa to sa mga early signs na hindi maganda kung mabasag tong 554 to begin with, maging resistance, tapos price falls lower. If that happens, yun nga, either we get stuck within this range again, or we might come back, tag tong white zone below, and if that white zone breaks, then medyo malalim na. Baka umabot na tayo ng 450 plus, ganon, or sabihin natin at least dito 480. Alright? And then finally, let's take a quick look at CEB. So CEB came here do sa white zone natin. Okay, area of interest natin. Consolidated briefly, then we started pushing higher. Okay, so sa mga nakasalo dito sa baba, as always, congratulations po sa inyong lahat, no? Or kunyari, pumasok kayo dito sa area of consolidation na to, congratulations pa rin. Be sure lang na ititrail nyo yung stop nyo na maayos, huwag nyo sisirain yung disiplina nyo, para kung mangyari man yung ayaw nating mangyari, ay hindi natin po ibabalik yung maakinita natin sa market. Okay? So from here, ang important number 1 is yun nga, follow your trail stops. Nagkaroon tayo na parang V-shaped na turn, so hindi natin alam what price is gonna do next. It could just drop from there. Okay? Or it could come back to this area of consolidation around 45. Then from there, pwede natin tingnan kung mag-hold ba yan, act as a potential base, form a higher low, and see if we push higher from there. Possibly next, taking out tong 51.5, coming into this white zone, and if we can break this, then 58.3 yung next na potential target. Ang ayaw kong makita dito, for me, yung bearish na scenario talaga is if we just go ahead and break below tong 42.7 na area. If we do that, tas marita siya underneath, baka mangyari, matrap muna tayo sa range na to or sa bigger range na to. All the way hanggang sa baba nitong white zone. Pagka ganon, for me, kailangan nang i-reassess kasi parang nasira na yung bullish momentum eh. 'Di ba? So, kailangan na nating i-reassess from there kung ano nga ba ang dapat tinitignan natin, ano ang dapat inaabangan natin, ano ang mga pwede nating bantayan, and so on. But until that happens, again, as I always say, huwag po natin pangungunahan, no? Panoorin lang muna natin what will happen. Okay? So guys, dito po nagtatapos yung video natin. No? Again, I apologize for all the background noise. I do try to work around it. It's just that talaga ayaw makisama minsan ng real life. Eh, no? Okay? And as always guys, maraming salamat po sa panonood. I really appreciate it. Good luck, happy weekend, and happy trading.